Second class rank requirement 2A. Explain when it is appropriate to use fire for cooking or other purposes, and when it would not be appropriate to do so. Camp stoves are great, but so isn't cooking over a campfire. So let's look at the pluses and minuses of each one. Camp stoves. Camp stoves are clean, quick, easy to light. They leave no marks on the ground. And they act like a stovetop where you can control the fire much more precisely. Campfires. Campfires are wonderful to cook on and give flavor to your food, but they take time to get ready, about 20 to 30 minutes before you have coals. Fires are sometimes not permitted. Fires mark pans and campsite grounds. There's a lot more cleanup after you use a fire. And there's always the issue of fire safety. This has been another great video from Scouter Rob. Like, share, and subscribe, and also hit the bell if you want more videos just like this one.